If you wanna send auto reply on WhatsApp, then keep watching this video till the end. First of all, open your WhatsApp, and now at the top right corner, click on this three-dot icon, and see there's no any auto reply feature here. And now if you click on settings, and now from A to Z select all the settings here, you won't get any option to turn on your auto reply because you cannot send auto reply from this WhatsApp. You now dare to WhatsApp on Play Store or App Store. First of all, I'm opening the Play Store, and now if you search here WhatsApp, see here is your WhatsApp Business. Just click there. I've already installed this WhatsApp Business on my phone, so now I'm gonna open it. Now in the top right corner, click on this three-dot icon. Now in the second number, you'll see Business Tools option, so click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. And now under this messaging section, you'll see greeting message option here, so click on it. First of all, you have to turn it on manually like this. Now the next step is to write your message that you want to send automatically to your senders. So here is a pen icon, just click over there. After writing your message, just click on OK. And now you should know two very important points related to this auto reply on WhatsApp. Number 1. This automatic reply will be sent to only those persons who message you on WhatsApp for the first time. And after messaging you for the first time, if they don't message you for the next 14 days, after 14 days if they message you again, then this automatic reply will be sent to them again. And number 2, if you are having an active internet connection, I mean if you are turning on the mobile data on your phone, then only this automatic reply will be sent to the senders. So that's it. Hope you got the concept of this automatic reply on WhatsApp. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you're watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.